What if one crop could grow with very little water, survive extreme heat, and still give good profit? That crop is pearl millet, Bajra. Today, let's see why pearl millet is becoming a golden crop for Indian farmers. Bajra is drought-tolerant, grows well in poor soils, and needs minimum irrigation, ideal for dry regions of India. It thrives in hot climates up to 45 degrees Celsius and grows best in sandy or loamy soil with good drainage. Sow during June to July. Use 4 to 5 kilograms seed per acre with 45 centimeters row spacing for healthy growth. Add organic manure or 40 kilograms nitrogen per acre if available. Water only during extreme dry spells. Weed twice in the first 30 days and use neem-based biopesticides for pest control. Harvest in 80 to 90 days. Expect 8 to 10 quintals per acre with market prices of 2,000 rupees to 2,500 rupees per quintal. Pearl millet is also rich in iron, protein and fiber, good for both health and income. If you want a low-cost, climate-resilient crop, pearl millet is worth trying. Like, share and subscribe to Discover Agriculture, where farming meets the future.